Hello, everyone. Today we will explore the wonderful journey from the tiny grape sprouts to the ripe bunches that we often enjoy. It is an art. Grapevines need rich soil, the right pH level, and warm climate conditions to thrive. Farmers must prepare the soil carefully, ensuring adequate water and fertilizer supply so that young grapevines can grow firmly. Regular irrigation and care are important during this stage, helping the vines to grow strongly and take root deep into the soil. About 3 to 4 years after planting, the grapevines begin to flower and bear fruit. This is a very important time because the grapes need enough sunlight and water to grow strongly, but also need to avoid heavy rain and pests. This pruning helps the plant focus its nutrients on growing fruit instead of leaves, ensuring that the grape clusters can grow plump and sweet. The grape harvest season usually begins around September, when the grapes reach perfect ripeness. To ensure quality, farmers need to carefully observe each grape, choosing the most appropriate time to harvest. And after years of careful care, these bunches are ready to harvest. Each bunch is hand-picked to ensure no bruises or damage. This is the result of patience and effort. After harvest, the grapes are sorted right in the vineyard. The highest quality grapes are exported, or the fresh fruit is supplied to the market. Every step must be done quickly and carefully to maintain freshness. From young vines to harvest, the process is a perfect combination of nature and human hands. Grapes are not just a fruit, but also a symbol of hard work and love for the land. Thank you for following us on this special journey. Please continue to join us in the next programs to discover more interesting stories about agriculture.